Hello, in this video we will explain the use of user task and how to configure it in Flowable. To create a new workflow, we will open the Modeler app. Then we will choose Create Process. Choose a name and a unique key for the new model. Then click Create New Model. By default, the modeler contains a start event. So now we will add a user task. Let's call it user task. The start event, we will call it also start event. And we complete with an end event. So let's now configure the user task. The user task must be assigned to a user or to a group. In this example, we have assigned this task to the process initiator. Also, it is very important to add a form reference. In this case, we will create a new form. Now, by using the drag and drop feature, we can add easily the needed elements. In this example, we just added two text fields and we call them first name and last name. And we have chosen to make them required fields. Let's now save the form. Finally, our workflow is ready for use, so let's save it. To make this workflow executable, it must be deployed first. So we will go to the apps section and create a new app. Give it a name and a key. Then choose the model that you want to deploy. You can customize the icon and the theme. Also, you can give it access permissions for groups or for users. Save the new configurations. Then you must access to this new application and choose Publish. And congratulations! Now your application is executable. You can find it now in the home page. Go to the processes and click Start a Process. Let's fill our form and click the button Complete. And that's all. The process has been executed and finished, and we do not have any task to do now. Thank you for watching and goodbye.